Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite Thai dish called Thai lime steamed fish. It is easily the most popular steamed fish dish in Thailand, tart, fresh, garlicky and full of flavor. Welcome to my chilies and herb garden. Here I'm showing you the chilies that I'll be using for the dish. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, thinly slice the garlics. Next, slice the bell pepper into half. Remove the seeds and slice the bell pepper into strips. Cut the lemongrass into half vertically and make a cut horizontally. Use the back of your knife and gently heat the lemongrass. This process will help to activate the taste of the lemongrass. Now, I will show you how to get the maximum amount of lime juice. Cut the lime lengthwise next to the stem. Rotate the lime 1/4 turn and make 1 second cut, which should be the same as the first. You will end it up with a rectangular core and 4 oval-ish pieces of lime. Squeeze the lime juice into a bowl with a strainer. Look at how clean this lime is. Repeat this process with all the lime wedges. Slice the tomato into half. Remove the core and cut the tomato into 8 pieces. Roughly chop the coriander. You can skip this process if you do not like the taste of the coriander. Using a pair of scissors, cut the side fins. Cut the tail. You can leave it as it is too. Flip the fish and remove the other fin. I will also remove the fins from the bottom and top. Here is what it looks like. Now, using your knife, gently remove the scales. Scrape the scales from the tails toward the head. Use a sharp knife. This process is messy. Feel free to ask your fishmonger to clean the fish for you. You can also use a fork to remove the scales. Hold the fish firmly with your hand and scrape the scales. Repeat the process on the other side of the fish. Let's clean the fish under the running water. Cut the fish fin. Slice into the vent of the fish. Open up the cut and remove the guts and innards. Use the tip of your knife or your finger to remove the innards. You can also use the scissors to cut up towards the neck. Remove the fish gills. Now that it's clean, let's wash it. I'm gonna make 3 cuts on the fish on each side. Let's start cooking. In a pan over medium heat, add the fish. Add the lemongrass into the fish. Add the sliced garlics, kaffir lime leaves. I like to tear the leaves to activate the smell of the leaves. Add water, fish sauce, and lime juice into the pan. Season with black pepper. Cover with lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the tomatoes and bell pepper into the pan. Cover with lid and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add sugar. Add the green chilies and the small chilies into the pan. Cover with lid and cook for another 2 minutes. And now it's ready to be served. Add some sliced limes and chopped coriander on the top. Sprinkle with some black pepper and it's done. Enjoy my recipes and see you in my next video.